It's time to remember those who died in any war, and we are going to remember that by drawing a poppy for this episode of Python 5 of Shapes Season 2. So it's time to get into it. So our purpose is is to draw a poppy to commemorate the people who died in war. That's our purpose. So how are we going to do that? Configuration. So config. So we need to configure first. Configure variables list. Uh, uh, so our poppy stem length is going to be 1,000 because it's going to go off the screen. So poppy length, stem length equals 1,000, and our stem color is going to be green. Stem color is green, and also our stem width is 5. That's our stem parameters done. Now we are going to do our poppy parameters. Poppy poppy's poppy size equals 50. That's it. That's our parameters done. So now we configure our drawing tools. Drawing tools. So we are going to use Turtle as as we are going to use Turtle as I have been using for this whole series and our last season. I mean, so we are going to call our Turtle Soldier because we are going to commemorate the dead. Soldier equals turtle.pen. We will use turtle.pen to draw the poppy for us. Soldier.speed 0, soldier.high turtle. Because we don't because it saves a little bit of stuff. Saves a little bit of energy, and soldier.speed making it the fastest possible. Now we have configured our drawing tools. Now we have completed configuration. So now we get into the main program. So configure for oh no, we have not finished configure. We have not finished configuring. We have to configure the background. Configure the background. So sky equals turtle.screen sky.bg color aqua because our sky is light blue. So that's what I'm talking. So that's what I mean by aqua. So now we get into the main program. So configure for drawing the stem. So that means that we have to make the turtle face upwards. So soldier dot left 90, soldier dot width, stem width, soldier dot color, stem color, soldier dot back, stem length. No, actually. Now we have finished configuring, so we actually now draw it. So stem drawing. No, stem dot the soldier dot back, stem length. No, soldier dot forward, stem length. Yeah, this command is actually configured for drawing the next stage. So configure for drawing the poppy, the actual poppy. So now we should have a stem. So I run, and there we go. We have a stem. So we don't need a turtle dot done. We don't need a turtle dot done in Python idle, so we don't need to worry about that. So now we begin configure effect draw the actual poppy. So we are going to do this using soldier dot. Now we deconfigure dot right 90. Now it's facing. Now it has turned right 90 degrees, so it's facing to where it needs to. Soldier dot no soldier dot width 1 because we only need a small outline. Soldier dot color red because actually red because of poppy's petals are red. Soldier dot pen color black, maintaining the black outline, but it's still but the but it's still but the turtle still feels in a red color. So soldier dot back poppy size. That's done. Now now we actually draw the poppy. But first we have to draw uh the the poppy central poppy center drawing. I don't know the name of a center of a flower, so I'm not. Well, I'm just going to call it the center. Soldier dot. I'm actually going to use a loop for IA range 4. No, don't want a center. Soldier dot forward no stem length. Soldier. So I'm actually going to divide that by 2. So no, not stem length, poppy size. Poppy size, because our poppy center will be too big. I want to call it the bud, but yeah, the petals have already grown, so I'll call it the center. Soldier dot forward poppy size. Soldier dot left 90. Yes, it's left. So now we'll run. Save it. Run. Ah, yes. We forgot to fill. So now, yeah. So, so not yet. So not yet. So not yet. Color red. So, soldier dot color black. So now, soldier. We need to begin filling. Soldier dot begin fill. So we fill by soldier dot begin fill. Soldier dot end fill. End fill. So no, so F5, and now we have a black spot. So now we will subroutines. So def petal. I don't think we need to define anything, but we'll define the angle size. Actually, size angle. Actually, it's a bit complex. We'll just put angle. I'll delete it. So soldier will not put anything. It's going to be a fixed parameter. So soldier dot for soldier dot left no right 120 soldier dot soldier dot forward. We'll call this poppy size. Soldier dot. Now we'll do a circle. We'll try to make it poppy size divided by 2, and now times poppy size divide. No, that's a radius. And we're going to call that 160. And there's actually we'll make it soldier dot fill color red. Soldier dot begin fill. So soldier dot. So this is all trial and error. I have prepared for this video, so but if it becomes wrong, I will change it accordingly. So now soldier dot. Uh, so soldier dot. Well, not. Sorry. This is good enough. Soldier dot circle, and then soldier dot circle again. So making sure that now we have to soldier dot right. So we need to find out what 300. So that's 80. Soldier dot circle poppy size divided by 2. 160. Soldier dot forward poppy size, and now we are going to configure for the next one to be drawn. Soldier dot right. So how much do we turn right by? So we'll turn right by 60 degrees, I believe. Think. Right, we'll save this and we'll try it out. Oh, I forgot to call the subroutine. So now, so now, so now let's call the subroutine petal. Uh-oh. Ah, yes. It's because I forgot to put quote marks around. That should work. And yes. That's bad. But it's a good start. So that means we just need to uh so that just means that we need to nope okay just oh that's that's a that's big. Too big for my liking, so uh uh so no so it should be about so yes, finally I've got it to the correct length. So now yeah, this is called trial and error, the thing that I have just done. So now so what happened to my big kit? Ah yes, so this happened. So we need to remove that and do that, and We'll run this. We have forgotten to end fill. So end fill. And there we go. We have drawn a poppy. A petal. Try again. So is it successful? No, it isn't. Not to worry. This just means that. So run. No, it just shows that we are turning to right too much. So So this turn right and then this turn right 120 and turn right is a net turn. It's actually so it's actually coming back at 120 degrees angle. So it's a net turn by 90 degrees. So sorry. So now we have so we could do for iron range 4 petal. So now we have finished drawn a poppy. So I think I should try to explain this a bit more. Configure for drawing the next petal. So here we configure. So now petal drawing. That's what we do here. And then it just comes around here. So I'll show you again. So here, when it turns right here, so here it turns right 120 degrees, and then it goes round here, and then this is a 120-degree angle. So the shape is facing this way, currently facing this way to a 30-degree angle. So ask it to here it's turn left here. This is a 30-degree angle here, and then it's just go around here. So 120 plus 120 is 240, and then plus that is a 270, so that it's done a right angle loop, basically turning left by 90 degrees. So that is the end of the video, and we will remember the soldiers who have died using this with a poppy symbol. And subscribe, like, share this to your friends, and goodbye.